I'm Evan Josh Makapili. Let's talk about life of Jose Rizal, the light of the Philippines. In the quiet town of Calamba, Laguna, on June 19, 1861, a boy named Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonzo Riolonda was born even as a young child. He showed great intelligence, love for learning. At the age of 3, he learned the alphabet from his mother, and by 8, he was already writing poetry that expressed his deep love for his country. As he grew older, Rizal showed clearly hardship his fellow Filipino endured under Spanish rule, determined to bring change through knowledge rather than violence. He traveled to Spain to study medicine and philosophy. There, he realized that the world was much bigger than his homeland, and, and that education was the key to freedom. He wrote two powerful novels, Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo. These books expose abuses of the colonial government. They awakened the hearts of Filipinos, making them realize worth and right. However, the Spanish authorities view his writings as dangerous. Rizal returned to the Philippines, but he was soon arrested and exiled to the Pitan. During his 4 years there, he served as a doctor, built a school, and improved the community water system. Even in isolation, he continued to help his people. In 1896, he was falsely accused of leading a revolution despite knowing the risk. He chose to face his accusers with courage. On the morning of December 30, 1896, in Tagumbayan, he walked calmly to his execution site before the firing squad. He turned around to face bullets, proving that he was not traitor. Through his life ended at the age of 35, his death became the spark that fueled the Philippine Revolution. Today, he is remembered as the national hero. And that would be all. Thank you.